multimedia or graphic design. Today I will be showing you how to create this icon. I'll be showing you how to create this icon, this YouTube studio icon. Okay, first of all, let us create the shapes. Go to your shape and select the shape. Actually, select the shape. This is the shape. Yeah, you can just rotate it. It's easy. Just rotate it. If you check if your rotation is wrong, maybe bent or somehow, it's actually rotated to 90 degrees, which is what we want. Then change the color. Which is, let us go and pick the color. This is a color sheet. Just click on this plus and select the color picker. Then this is actually the color. Okay, let's bring out the color. Just look at it yourself. The color is out. Then after this, we can copy it. Then we edit it. Reduce the opacity. You actually have to reduce the opacity to 0. Then we give it a shape. This is the shape, and we give it a stroke. And this is a stroke. We have to give the stroke a color, which is white color. And we choose the white color. Let us reduce the opacity to 0%. Then mark it. We choose white for the opacity. Yes, you can go and change it here. White. Then place it. To make it, to place it at the right place, just go to this. Just go to edit position, click on it and centralize it. Yeah, I think the stroke is a little bit bigger. Let us reduce the size, make it smaller, and then resize it. Wow, I think it's okay like this. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Then you need the play button. Go to your shapes once more. Find a triangle. Yeah, I think this triangle is okay. So go for it. Just reduce it to actually make a play button. Rotate it and place it in the middle. Besides it, make it smaller. You can use the method relative position, centralize it. Look at it, it actually works and it's placed at the middle. Now remain the white circle at the back. Just put your shape, same thing, and select the shape you want. You can use this radius to make a circle, or you just choose the circle right here. Just see, make it big, resize it, and then put it at the back and centralize it. By looking at this play button, I think the play button is not right. Let us reset it well. You can just choose position to set it well. I think it actually plays well now. Just look at how YouTube Studio is made. It's created on pixellab. You can just edit the name and place it there. Edit the name, YouTube Studio. it, then size it, position it. After I position it, say it's actually positioned well, I can just use this centralize just to center it. Yeah, it's actually placed well. Now this is how we create our YouTube studio. Let's save it. Just save it as image. Save to your gallery. Yeah, save the project as YouTube studio. Okay, please kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you're waiting for the next video. Thank you. I really appreciate your comments. Thank you.